Well, we have a huge capital program. The majority of it needs to happen during summer when the students are not in the schools. So all across the district, we've been replacing roofs, windows, carpet, repainting, replacing boilers. Here at Trainer Middle School, we replaced the boilers specifically to keep the comfort level appropriate in the school. So since the WC1 measure passed in 2016, we've been able to dramatically increase our level of financial investment in our existing schools. This summer alone, we're touching dozens of schools across the district with tens of millions of dollars of improvements. It takes time, but in keeping up on our deferred maintenance is extremely important and ultimately saves the taxpayers' dollars. I'd be remiss without mentioning how grateful we are to the families and the staff. You know, any construction comes with some degree of inconvenience. I think everybody's happy when it's done, but when it's ongoing, we appreciate the flexibility that's being asked to start later, to endure some of those construction conditions, ultimately to give our kids a better, safer, more effective school facility.